there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and this is the KimChi Puff Puff Pass. This is in the color 03 Translucent. I'm obsessed with this set and bake powder. Let me show you a few reasons why I like it.
So as much as I want to, I know I don't even need to touch on this packaging because it's the perfect packaging. Adorable. But I love that although this is meant for baking, I can use this as a regular setting powder as well, and it locks my makeup in. It lasts all day long, and although it's matte, it lets my glow shine through with highlighters. I like that it doesn't have any scent to it. It might be scented, but if it is, I really can't tell. It has a nice neutral smell, and I like that it looks wonderful. Like it looks great. It's a wonderful, wonderful powder, and it's easy to apply, and it does a great job at blurring my makeup together, and it just does what it's supposed to do. I love it.
So there you have it. If you're looking for something super cute and super functional for your makeup collection, I highly recommend you check this one out, and that is my point of view.